impressive bit of construction work, isn't it? Wow.
Yeah, looks like that fell over. Do you think it was built like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're all leaning a bit, aren't they? Driving across the top of the dam now.
Here we are on the top of the Hoover Dam. And for those of you who do not particularly like heights, how about this? It's quite an impressive piece of engineering to put this in. Smile, Nikki. We're heading for coffee and food now. Can't wait. So here we have Arizona time at the Hoover Dam. So we've walked across the dam. We've come from Arizona, where we've left the truck parked just up there, and we're now in Nevada.
Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is the valve house. There are 2 on each side of the canyon. Each building has 2 90-inch jack gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary. Are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you move the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is carrying the cables. This is the original crane for the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls. Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you get a spectacular panorama panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge. Of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on downstream.
I'm on the back side of Hoover Dam now, where it's holding back the mighty Colorado and created Lake Mead. You look on the cliff faces, the white bleached area is the high water mark that it reached many years ago. Since then it's been dropping.